Every single thing or object that you see at the background of this video, they are all fake. Everything you see at the background of this video are AI generated. Both the flower, both the frame, both the bookshelf, anything you see at the background of this video is completely 150% fake. Nothing is real. Now, this is the reason why I said that AI is going to another different level. You can actually make a video in the comfort of your home, office, or any environment and be able to change anything in that video just by writing a simple prompt. It takes less than a second for you to change anything in your video. You can add flower, you can add frame, you can add bookshelf, you can put dinosaur, you can put virtually anything that you want in your video. You can add another different kind of camera and it is going to look real. The truth is, AI is going to another different level. For those of you that have the issue that are always, my environment is not fine, no, my background is not good to make a video, this, that, my camera is not good, all those things are excuses. AI has made it very simple for you to fine-tune your environment in any way you like, just with a simple prompt. And in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through on how I was able to achieve all this and how you can actually do this. And everything I'm going to show you here is completely free, and the software that you're going to use is free as well. So for those of you that would like to know how you can change virtually anything in your video, stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to walk you on a step-by-step process on how you can do this. There are a lot of softwares that you can use to do this, but I'm going to use the simplest one. You can use CapCut to do this, you can use Filmora to do this, you can use different kind of softwares to do this. And please pay attention and follow all the steps that I'm going to show you in this video so that you will get everything right.